Today's menu, grilled prawns. The color's getting better every second. Perfectly grilling on salt, look at that. A little char makes it perfect. Removing the prawn head with scissors. They fry the heads for me, so I'm keeping them aside for later. Crispy shrimp heads coming soon. Peel the body part with my hands. Dip it right into the spicy sauce. One perfect bite. One bite, shell and all. They fried the head for me super crispy. I had to take a bite. Crunchy, salty, and perfect. It is so good today, haha. Another happy bite kind of day today's meal. Perfect as always.